Take a ride in the 2016 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, aluminum wheels, body color door handles. Inside you'll find leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.